$30 billion in a single funding round. That's what Anthropic just raised. And it's not just a big number. It's a signal that the race to build the most powerful AI in the world just got a lot more serious. Let's talk about what's actually happening here, because there are two stories in 1 week from Anthropic that together paint a very clear picture of where AI is going. The funding round first. In February, Anthropic closed a $30 billion Series G at a $380 billion valuation. That makes it the second largest venture deal in history. Only OpenAI's $40 billion raise last year was bigger. The round was led by Singapore's sovereign wealth fund GIC and backed by basically everyone: Sequoia, Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, JPMorgan, the Qatar Investment Authority, Founders Fund. When sovereign wealth funds and the biggest banks on the planet are all writing checks, that tells you something. This isn't speculative anymore. This is infrastructure level money, and the numbers back it up. Anthropic's revenue run rate has already hit $14 billion, growing more than 10 times annually for 3 straight years. Customers spending over $100,000 a year grew 7 times in 12 months. So where's all this money going? That brings us to story 2, managed agents. Right alongside the funding news, Anthropic launched something called Claude Managed Agents, currently in public beta. And this one is specifically for developers and companies building with AI. Here's the problem it solves. Right now, if you want to build an AI agent, something that can actually take actions, run tasks autonomously, coordinate with other agents, you have to build all the plumbing yourself. Sandboxing, security, state management, error handling. It takes months just to get to something production ready. Managed agents takes all of that off your plate. Anthropic hosts it, scales it, monitors it. You get built-in OAuth, credential vaults, multi-agent coordination, and millisecond billing. Early users like Notion and Asana are reportedly going from prototype to launch in days instead of months. Anthropic says it's a 10 times improvement in shipping speed. That's a huge deal, because the bottleneck in AI right now isn't the models. The models are extraordinary. It's getting those models to actually do things reliably in the real world. Managed agents is a direct answer to that. So what does this all mean? Anthropic is making 2 moves at once. 1, raising the capital to outbuild everyone else at the frontier. 2, making it dramatically easier for companies to build on top of Claude in production. Together, that's not just a company growing fast. That's a company building a moat. The AI story in 2026 isn't just about which model scores highest on a benchmark. It's about who controls the infrastructure. And right now, Anthropic is making a very serious case that it wants to be that company. Subscribe if you want to keep up with moves like this. We break it down every week.